Workshop Wednesday. Whoo, the wind blowing out there. Cheese. Cheese, you all right? Cheese. Now you want to talk? He thinks the wind's blowing too. He just came in. We just got done with lunch. Belly's full. Aunt and Mom were here. Spring break going on for the kiddos, and my youngest girl stayed with my mom and dad for 3 or 4 days, and they're bringing her home. All's good. So hope y'all doing good. It is March in Texas, and the wind does blow, so all's normal. Not normal for me tomorrow. I'm going to have to go get in public. I'm going to have to go to Fort Worth, go to the knife show, table 1A. Y'all come see me. Going to be at the convention center, and going to be lots of fun. Got several things to look at, and mostly just have a good visit, see what's going on. Next week, TCAA spring meeting in Greeley, Colorado. I can tell you right now, it won't be a workshop Wednesday. Well, maybe. Maybe Schwartzy and I will have to do something. He's got Hold On to the West. Bo Compton does something. Maybe we'll have a big old powwow. We'll have a big old convention of videos. That'd be entertaining. I wonder who'd be cameraman. Anyhow, all's well. Hope y'all doing good. What else I got to tell y'all? Workshop, engraving workshop's kicking. We're rocking and rolling with it. Got a new sign up this week, and I still got some room. So if you're interested in that, April 4th through the 6th, it'll be kicking. Then I'm gonna show y'all. Speaking of TCAA bit number 1 is rocking right there. There's the first little shank. This is what my buddy Jim Edwards calls. I think he calls it a futurity shank or something. But gonna be one of his. This right here, tie back to my old mentor, dad number 2, Greg Darnell, and he called it his high port. It's a 3/8 deal. I forged it all out, and man, I gotta tell you, that was some fun forging right there. A little different, and I certainly enjoyed that. Got that rocking and rolling. There's the deal in there. What I'm gonna start doing in this area right here, all this is gonna get inlay, pinstripe inlay, and we're gonna get some pinstripe inlay in here. Might as well show y'all the picture. There it is. That's what it's gonna look like. So it's gonna have little ribbons of gold in through here. That TCA logo will be gold up going through there. Gonna have silver and gold pinstripe here. There'll be a silver inlay there, gold, and then all of this is relief engraved, and away we go. So that'll be fun. Extensive and expensive, that's for sure. Gonna take a little time, but it's gonna be fun. I'm enjoying. I love doing things like this, man. Just to get to dig off into it and play. It's the greatest opportunity in the world. So anyhow, hope all's well. If y'all need something, holler at me. Please come see me in Fort Worth. That'd just be a good time and all that business. So if y'all need something, holler, and we will see you maybe next week. If I talk Schwartzy and Bo and Scott and Nate, if I get Pablo Lozano, he's the Argentine braider. Nobody would understand him unless you speak Spanish, but it would be entertaining if I got all of them on Workshop Wednesday. So hope we do. Man, that sounds like a good plan. See y'all soon. Adios.